Learn A to Z by Tuk Tuk Turtle.
A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that bounces neat. C for cat who loves to play. D for dog who wags all day. E for elephant, big and strong. F for frog who hops along. G for giraffe, tall as can be. H for hat that fits on me. I for ice cream, yummy treat. J for jungle, trees so green. Birds and animals all are seen. K for kite that flies up high. L for lion with a mighty cry. M for monkey full of cheer.
Don't forget to subscribe.
N for nest with eggs so dear. O for octopus in the sea. P for penguin, waddle with me. Q for queen with shiny crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, so warm and bright. T for train, choo-choo delight. U for umbrella, rainy day. V for violin, we love to play. Bob, we-o, splash, hooray. X for Xylophone, music today. Y for yak with fluffy fur. Z for zebra, stripy blur. Now you know your ABC. Clap your hands and sing with me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Great! Bye-bye.